In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record a video in ProRes HDR mode on an iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. By default, Camera app starts in photo mode, so the next thing we should do is go to video mode. To do that, we need to tap right here where it says video, and then guys, towards the top left corner we can easily find that ProRes HDR icon or button. As you can see, now it is crossed out. That means that ProRes HDR mode is not active now, it is not turned on. However, to turn it on, just tap on it once, and now it says that max time is 93 minutes. I can record a video up to 93 minutes in that mode. I got a lot of free space on my iPhone 15 Pro. However, while you are at that mode, you can record a video in the highest possible quality, especially if you turn into 4K. Now it says 24 minutes, guys. 24 minutes. I got over 200 gigabytes free on my disk space, and I think you got the point that in this mode the video is shoot in the highest possible quality and the video file will be very large. Basically guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.